using natural products doesn't mean that it's going to be good for your sensitive skin. Sometimes natural products as simple as rose water could be the reason why you're getting that itchiness, that irritation. So rather than actually carrying on using your natural products, what I would definitely advise you to do is to have a bounce back routine, like a bounce back products that you can essentially just use when your skin is feeling sensitized. So that can be as simple as an Aven thermal spray. So this is very good just to neutralize the skin. It refreshes, it cools the skin, especially if you have that red inflamed skin. The thermal spray by Aven would work really, really well. Or the other alternative is using Elta MD Repair Toner. So that does contain ingredients that is essentially helps to relieve that irritation and provide that kind of comfort to the skin as well. And use cleansers and moisturizer that is designed for hypersensitive or sensitive skin. Being 100% natural doesn't necessarily mean it's good for sensitive skin. That's what I'm trying to say, because you can use rose water and get irritation. You can use aloe vera and get irritation from it. So better to use clinically proven, dermatologically tested products that are best used for sensitive or hypersensitive skin. Definitely you want to avoid using fragrance when your skin is sensitive, and you definitely want to avoid using essential oils because that could create that tingling, itching sensation that you definitely do want to avoid when you are in that sensitive phase of your skin. Comment below with what's helping your sensitive skin barrier. What's your favorite product that you use?